Hello viewers, this is Ashwar of you once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm very excited and very happy to share a new experience with you. So yesterday before I went to bed, I applied for Google AdSense approval for one of my WordPress blog site, which is learners.world, and by this morning at 6:52 a.m. I have received this email from Google AdSense, and as you can see the subject, your site is now ready to serve ads on AdSense. So I can't wait to open this email to share good news with you. So let me click on this email, and here is the news. Good news, your site learners.world is now ready to show AdSense ads. I have got monetization enabled with only 12 posts, and this video is going to be a really helpful and informative video for you as well, because I'm going to share what I had to do to get monetized with AdSense with only 12 blog posts on my website, and I will share what are the pages that's needed to get approved and what are other things that you have to do to get your monetization faster. So without further ado, let me take you to my WordPress dashboard here, and let me show you the number of blog posts at the first of all. So let me click here on all posts. And if you just notice here, all 12 and published 12 blog posts on my blog. And at a glance, I would love to show you my blog site. How is it looking like as of now with a free theme? So here, as you can see, this is the website where I have got the monetization. So here the header section, here is my logo, and if you just notice, this is the slider, and then I have got a very basic website template, which as you can see with a sidebar, and in the footer section there is nothing. All right, but still I have got the monetization. And the funny thing is, there is a misconception, like if you want to get monetized from Google AdSense, then you have to purchase a premium theme first, and then you will have to apply for Google AdSense. But this is totally a misconception. As you can see, I have got the monetization here. As you can see, good news, learners.world, and just take a look, learners.world, this website. I am using a free theme. As you can see here, Learners World theme by Caesar Themes, proudly powered by WordPress. This is a free theme, so you can actually get started with free theme. So there is no need to get a paid theme, but you need a paid theme when you want to make it more viewer friendly, and then when you want to optimize the website to get more revenue. So what I'm actually going to do now, as I have got the monetization, I am actually going to purchase a premium theme. I'm going to spend some time to research. I will find out the best theme for blogging, and then I will add this theme to my website so that I'll be able to optimize all the ad section. I'll be able to optimize the blog post, all right, so that I'll be able to generate more income. All right guys, so first thing, let me share some information if you're a complete beginner, and then if you want to get started with blogging. So what you will be in needed of, first thing, you will be in needed of a niche or a subject. What about you are going to write? For example, I know about how to make money online, and this is the reason I have started making some posts. Although I wasn't consistent, I was writing about how to become a virtual assistant, data entry tutorial guideline for beginners, MailChimp. All of my posts was about somehow they were connected about how to make money online or how to start freelancing. All right guys, so you have to specify, or you have to select a niche or subject. So if you know a little bit better about maybe cricket, then you can start writing blog contents about cricket. If you know about health, then you can start writing blog post about health related topics. All right, so this is what a niche is, the first requirement. And after that, you will be in needed of a domain name. And as an example, what is a domain name? Here, learners.world is my domain name. So if you are writing about health niche, your domain name could be gethealthier.com, gethealthier.net, or whatever extension that you are going to use. So after choosing your domain name, then you will be in needed of a hosting plan. So I am using Bluehost to host all of my websites, and a great thing about Bluehost is whenever you are purchasing any of their hosting plan, you will get a top level domain like .com domain, .net domain completely free with any hosting. So that's a great thing. And another feature I'm going to show you is, first of all, let me show you the pricings here. So if you are a complete beginner, you might going to ask me that how much it does it cost to get started with Bluehost. So you can get started from 3.95 US dollars. So it is almost 4 US dollars, and this is almost 6 US dollars. So I am using this plan, 5.95 US dollars per month. And why I am using this plan? Because I am being able to host all of my websites in one single hosting plan. As you can see, unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate. So this is a great thing. And as you can see, unlimited domains. So this is why I love Bluehost, and their performance is really better. So if you're interested to get started with Bluehost, then I will attach a special discounted link into the video description, so that you will be able to get some discounts as well while you purchase their hosting plan, and you'll get a free domain too. So after that, let me take you to my website again. After having your content niche or subject, and then having your domain name, and after having your hosting plan, you now have to design a website. You have to choose a theme. So as I have mentioned, I am using Witty theme, which is completely free. You'll be able to get it on WordPress theme database. All right, it is completely free to use, so you can get started with the free theme. And after that, let me show you what are the things that you should keep in your mind to get monetization. First thing is, let me open a notepad here so that I'll be able to add up this information. The first thing is, post at least 10 blog or 10 articles. Let's put articles here. Post at least 10 articles, and these articles should have at least 500 words, and that should be unique. You can get idea from by reading other blog posts from other websites, but you have to write these blog contents in a unique way, so that whenever you have 10 blog posts with 500 plus words, then you are actually going to be able to apply, or actually you can apply for Google AdSense anytime, but you are not going to get the approval. To get approval, you need at least 10 articles with I always suggest to have 500 plus words in each article for the first 10, and after that you can actually minimize the numbers if you need, like maybe 250 words, 400 words, whatever is better suit for you. And the second part that I would love to mention is, after having your websites, you must need to work on your page. For example, here if you just notice the important page that you must have to have in your website to get monetized with Google AdSense, you need to have your About Us page, terms and condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, and contact us page. So let me take a note here. About Us page, contact us page, terms and service. All right, and after that, let's say privacy policy. So I'm actually going to put like privacy just, and then we have got disclaimer page, CLAIMER, disclaimer page. These are the page, most important page. Another one I should mention is sitemap. Although it's not going to be viewable here, but you should create a sitemap for your website. So now let me talk about how you can get this page. For about page, you just have to write for yourself, but you can get some idea by viewing and reading some other bloggers about a section, so that you'll be able to optimize it properly. And after that, regarding this terms and condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, then what you can do, you can just simply copy paste my website's terms and condition, and let me show you where you have to make the change. So for example, if you are just copying all of these parts from my website, I'm going to open a Word file. So it is, I'm talking too much, but I'm actually trying to give you the clear understanding here. So just copy and paste it to a new Word document or whatever your website, and then you just have to make change. For example, here, terms and condition of Learner's World. So my website name is Learner's World. In this case, whenever you are copying it from my website, you just have to place your website name here. For example, if your website name is Become Healthier. Okay, so this is your website name, and then you have to make the change on your website domain. For example, here my domain name is https://www.learners.world. In this case, your domain name could be like become.com. Okay, so I'm seeing here I have made a mistake, but let's keep it as it is because it is just for your understanding. Okay, so I believe you are going to understand it properly, and then you have to find out any other information that's belonging to my website. For example, here is my email address. where you have to put your email address and then find out all the other information. For example, here just read this part and find out all the information these are belonging to Learner's World or whatever website you are going to collect these terms and condition privacy policy page, and then you have to replace these parts with your website name and website domain and let's say your contact details. All right, so that's it guys. So after that you just have to copy and paste them and make pages. And if I just want to show you the pages here, so I'm going to show you how many pages I have got. So here, about us, contact us, disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions. So you can do the same process for all of these pages. Just copy paste from my website and then change it to with your information so that it will be working for you. All right guys, so after adding all of these required pages, which are really important, and then what you have to do, you have to create your sitemap URL. So I'm going to type out here. Okay, so I already typed out sitemap, and then you have to add it to search console, this sitemap. So I'm actually going to add it here. 3 sitemap, create sitemap. You can use Yoast SEO to create sitemap. If you need my help on creating your sitemap, then please let me know by commenting below. I'd love to create a video on this regard. All right, so you have to add it to Google Search Console, and then after that your whole website should be added to Google Search Console. And after adding your website into Google Search Console, you have to wait. I suggest you to wait at least 2 days so that Google Search Console will have the time to index all your web page, index all your blog post, sitemap, so that Google will know that there is actually a website containing these contents. All right, so that it will be helpful for them or Google algorithm to find out your website, and then they will check out all of their blog posts. If they find everything fine, if you are not violating any of their terms and conditions, if you're not violating any of their community guidelines, then they are going to give you the approval. So that's the process guys. So another thing I should mention, to get approval you should have a good, let's put first, website speed. These are also helpful. And then what else I could add here, and 5 clean and clean website theme. So as you can see, my website here, Learner's World. So if you just go to this home page, then you are going to see here I have got my logo, which is a little bit bigger because I didn't actually concentrate it, but still I have got the monetization. And here after the logo, I have got a slider where people are going to see all my recent posts. And then I have got a very simple page, as you can see. Okay, so this is very simple page, nothing here to just messed up. And here I have got some custom affiliate links of mine. All right, so that's it guys. So these are the things, and make sure your contact us page is also added. I almost forgot about that. Make sure contact us page is added to your website, and you can actually use plugins to create this contact us page. I have used a plugin. All right, and then it's always best to use your social media profiles, whatever you have. Maybe you have a Facebook page, Twitter page, or maybe a Pinterest page, so you can add them, or whatever page you have, you should add them here. All right guys, so more cleaner your website, more fulfill your website is, and more unique content you have, the more possibility of getting your AdSense approval faster. So that's the video guys, and I hope you have found some value from this video. And if you did, please like this video and let me know by commenting below. And if you need me to show you some other information regarding blogging, or if you want me to make more videos regarding how to make a blog, how to get started, or how to start making money with AdSense, so let me show you here my Google AdSense. Sorry, not Google Drive, I should go to Google AdSense /AdSense. So I'll also be able to help you with Google AdSense setup. Although you are not seeing here today like 0 cents, yesterday this much, but I am being able to generate from 500 US dollars to 1000 US dollars per month, as you can see this amount. All right, and here my today's income. All right, so I'm being able to actually making money with Google AdSense, and having Google AdSense approval on this website is another addition. So I'm actually going to work on this website. I'm going to learn more about blogging because I am not a good writer, so I have to improve my writing skills, and I would love to share all the information like how to improve your writing skills along the way whenever I'll start learning about them, and how to get more optimization. For example, although I am not an SEO expert, or although I am not a blog writer, if you just go into my incognito mode, and if I just type out like data entry tutorials for beginners, and if I make a Google search, you are going to get my website in top on the first search result, as you can see. And after that, WikiHow is coming, data entry tutorial, learners world. And if you just notice this video is also from my YouTube channel. So this is great thing. Although I am a beginner in SEO industry, but still I'm being able to rank my website on some places, right? So I'm actually going to I'd love to share my experiences of SEO, share my experiences of blogging and how to make money online with other affiliate marketing niches. I'd love to make tutorials, so please let me know by commenting below if you are interested, and give this video a like to motivate me to make more helpful contents for you in near future. So please share this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.